Sean says, do you recommend locking out the distributor on a 602? And what's the advantage/disadvantage?
Yeah, 100% lock it out. Advantage number one being you're always at, 34 degrees of timing.
Mm-hmm.
And ultimately it produces more low end torque than if you got an advanced curve in the distributor. Number two is if you got to run like an HEI piece of crap distributor, then if it's not locked out, then that HEI can go, it goes haywire. So I would definitely lock it out.
Yeah, see, if you have to run an HEI, I have a few different options. One, if you have to run the GM distributor, I have the race prepped GM HEIs that actually Steve does for me, and those are locked out. I also have lockout kits for HEIs. Mm-hmm. I probably need to get lockout kits.
But yeah, regardless of whether it's an MSD or an HEI or whatever other brand you want to try to run, definitely lock it out.